Good morning, guys. How's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident LLC. Hope you guys are having a good one. We're going into Friday. Saw a very nice rebound in the market for ADA and a lot of these coins. So we're going to talk about that and give you guys my predictions of where we're going to head, and then give you guys some fun testimonials and show you guys our Black Friday sale that ends in 11 days here. So currently we are sitting on the charts here at 81 for 81 wins. We've never lost a trade here. The last trade we ended up taking a win for was actually EOS for 14.64% profit on 50% of our trade, and the other 50% we won 8.13%. Okay. As you guys know, I've injected more money into the market. I want to keep that transparent to show you guys why my account balance is going up this high. I put $20,000 into the market yesterday. I ended up buying Doge on discount. I ended up buying DOT on discount. I bought EOS on discount, as well as ADA, which we're talking about today, on discount. These were with the buy limits that we had set up on our website, which is how we've won every single trade over here. And I will show you exactly how to get into our buy limits so you guys do not have to ever missing another win that we call out over here, so you guys can trade with us. Not a single person who's ever subscribed has ever lost a trade on our channel for the entire year, and we've only started this channel since March, and we're 81 for 81. Okay, let's dive in. We are seeing this nice move back up. If you guys give me a second, I'm just going to move this over here, so let's just do that for a second. I want to show you something. I've been looking for a bear trap on ADA recently. That's what my call has been. Was that this was going to be a bear trap to the downside. We were going to see this wick back up, and we're going to catch a lot of people trying to short the market, and they're going to get caught here. This is exactly what ended up happening here. Now, what we can look down here for, and we want to watch this over the weekend, is the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion. When we push down to the bottom red section here, we saw a very nice pump back up in ADA, okay? As well as over here, when we hit this section here, we ended up seeing these moves back up before we saw a drop. And obviously down here, we hit this, wick candle down. We saw a very nice pump back up. Then over here, we saw also a move back up in ADA before we ended up seeing this move back down. Point being is that when we move into the bottom red section here of the trend exhaustion, this indicator is the most accurate indicator to call pumps and drops in the market. I've shown this to you guys so many times. Even when we push them in the top red section here, that's when ADA is moving back down. This is how we actually ended up calling this drop on this channel. We saw that the trend exhaustion was pushing in the top red section. We saw the well money flow pushing up very high here, exactly pointing this out, basically the top three candles up here. We said, no, do not buy into this. We waited on discount, got in here, and we got into our second discount price here, and we have a break-even entry at $2.08 in here, which is exactly a trade that I ended up taking with you guys on this channel over here, okay? So yesterday, what I ended up doing is I used our buy limits that I have set up on our website here, and I'll actually show this to you guys. This is member-only content, but I'll show you in the second half of the video how we did this. Take a look at this. This was the trade call yesterday. 11:18. What's today, guys? It's 11:19. Yesterday, I had a trade call out here at 1.789 for everybody to get into. I got into this trade. I got tagged in a little bit higher here, but I actually ended up getting in for 88, and I'll show this to you guys down here, at 179, 1.799. So 1.799, like very close to where we were at. I just got triggered in just a little bit higher. A lot of you guys probably got triggered in there as well. Well, from this area, guys, we're all up this morning, a total of 1.79. Let's just pull it like right about there. That's probably as close as I can get it, right about there. We're currently sitting up in the market at the moment. Sorry, guys. Let me get a price range tool out here for us. I think it's right around 4%. So if we take 1.79, that's actually almost perfect right there. Okay, we're up at, yeah, I was going to say, I just checked the chart and we're up at 4. It's moving back down a little bit. We're at 3.27% in the profit on that trade. Now, hear me out here, guys. I am still managing the original trade here that we got in up here and down here. I am not going to be exiting the trade that I personally took down here until I exit this trade up here. What that's going to mean for everybody is when this trade actually gets into the profit, or we come down and hit more buy limits and we eventually get into the profit, that's going to mean some serious money for you guys who got in down here with me on this trade. If, let's just say, for example, that I exit this trade up here and we get up here and we're like, hey, we look at this structure high, we don't take a huge win, but we take 3% profit on that. That's also when I'm going to exit this trade, which will probably do about 19 to 20% profit on this trade down here. It is very beneficial to be using our buy limits and getting set up for the trades. Now watch this over the weekend. I'm going to be watching for the trend exhaustion. This is why you guys need these indicators. Watch for the trend exhaustion and the well money flow to push to the top sections up here, because this is where I'm going to be expecting to see a move back down in ADA. Now we could start pumping up here, and I think over the weekend, I don't think we're going to head too much higher than this this resistance here, and it's right at $2. It's just simple. Psychological level of $2. I don't think we'll head any higher than that. I also don't think we're going to head below $1.70 either. So I want us to be looking at that. Let's move now over into the actual metrics for ADA, and then I'm going to give you guys, I'll show you exactly how to set up these trades so you never have to miss out on losing a trade. That's actually honest too. You guys will take all the trades that we take from now on. We haven't lost a trade yet. It's a great way to build your self-esteem because people over here are doing really well. Give me like 2 seconds here to just point this out. These are a couple testimonials we received from last week, and this just encourages a lot of people. I still can't believe the difference you have made in my trading experience. I have made almost $30,000 in 3 weeks using your metrics and following your advice. You are the man. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge and system. Amazing. This guy down here, you guys can read his testimonial, but it's like 2 years ago, my mother passed away and I invested her inheritance in crypto. My strategy was very long-term, and he goes and talks about that. He got the $49 a month membership. In just the last week alone, I was able to make $1,000 profit from ADA, as well as $700 from shorting both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crazy enough, I did it all while taking my girlfriend to Kenya coast. That's awesome. You guys are traveling. I've taken my wife to Pismo Beach in California. We've taken trades. We've made money while we're traveling. This system is so good for you guys. Thank you for being you and creating these indicators. I'll be sure to be taking advantage of the Black Friday sale. You guys, we do have a Black Friday sale that's insane right now. You don't want to miss. This guy made $12,800 in a single week. This guy made $1,900 as well trading. This guy made $500 on ADA. Okay, let's just keep going here. I don't want to get too sidetracked, but I want to show you guys we have plenty of people trading for a living over here and doing very well. All the metrics will update every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, even over the weekend. We have pushed down into the fearful section for ADA. Guess what that means, guys? I'm going to buy ADA. I'm going to buy it up, guys. I put $20,000 into the market. I ended up buying ADA, Doge, DOT, and every single one of these trades are in the profit today from yesterday. This was a great place to look for anxiety and fearfulness to enter into the market. This perfectly bear trapped everyone to the downside, and now we are heading back up today, which is what we were calling. So, great place to buy. Let me prove this to you. If you head down here and you actually look at what wells and institutions are doing, they are buying as well. They got in here and they bought this dip and they're riding back up, and they're currently in the profit for everyone who got into this dip down here with our buy limits. Now, take a look at some more fun stuff in the market. Cardano, we are seeing the price go down here, and long trades are moving out a little bit as well. Short trades were increasing a little bit here. It's kind of funny. Short trades were increasing, and I think exactly why is because I was calling this move back down here for the bear trap. Short trades increased. People got trapped to the downside. So guys, watch this. Everybody who FOMO'd into the sell down here and started shorting, the moment that we get past above this area right here is most likely where all their stop losses are placed for short trades. It's standard trading protocol. Previous structure high for stop losses, because what short trades are expecting and hoping happens in here is that this comes up here, does not hit their stop loss, and moves back down, they make profit. That's what they're hoping for right now. I think what's probably going to happen here is we could actually see a break of this, and we could start seeing everybody who went short, their stop losses are going to get hit, and they're like, man, I think we're going to break up now, and then they're going to go long, as well as everybody who has their buy stops looking for the breakout above this resistance. That's going to push it up even further. And we could end up hitting this descending resistance line, which is right around here, and that puts us at our target, like I was telling you guys, right around $2. That is why $2, I think, is the greatest next place to look to take some profit in the market. I'm going to wait till we get back into the profit here, okay? I want to explain to you guys what's happening there so you can understand it. Looking at long for short trades, guys, it's just telling you this is clearly a great place to take a long trade, so that's what we did yesterday. I put more money in and we took more long trades, okay? You guys know this. I just basically told this to you guys, looking for smart money to take long trades in the market. That's what you should be doing. That is exactly what we are doing. I showed you guys because we are obviously in some trades here. Okay, let's follow this up, and then I'm going to, in this video, I'll show you guys how to get into our next trade so you do not miss another entry. This was a call over here showing you guys, hey, if you've got like $10,000 you want to put in the market and you want to throw $1,000 in each time that the market drops, great place to just hold for 5 to 10 years. Like, don't expect it to be the bottoms every time. Like, this is incredible bottom. That's incredible. This is incredible. That's incredible. That's even incredible over there. This right here, if we go down further, you're probably going to get another green line here, and you can just put more money in the market. This is for diamond hand holders, okay? Coming over here, take a look at this. This is showing us that we are expected to head down when we get red bars like this in the market. Great move back down here. I'm not expecting to see drops immediately every single time. It's just a warning to us to say, hey, if you're in a long trade, you might want to take 50 to 25% out of the market to just, secure some profits because we could be heading back down. All right, guys, let's get into the funnest part of this video that I get jacked about is how you guys actually make money over here. Our membership is only $49 a month. It is the cheapest membership I can find online for this win rate and the amount of money that we're making for our traders. We have so many traders trading for a living in here. It's insane. I love coming out here and showing you guys the profits because you guys are doing just so well on this channel, okay? It's trying to load right here. I'll show you guys this real quick. I'll just scroll down to something random here. This guy down here does 17 euro in one single day. He's using our indicators and our metrics. This guy down here does $4,000 on a single morning. This guy down here is like, I'm keeping track of my trading log and I've doubled my account. I'm at $4,000. This guy down here does $2,000 since subscribing to the membership, and that's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool too. This is the only channel where I can actually make money. This is the best advice any person can receive. I'll just scroll down here and just look at a couple more. We have a lot more. This one just isn't loading right now. My internet's going a little slow here, so I apologize for that. There you go. There it loads. This guy down here does 80%. This guy down here took his account from $33,000 to $40,000, $39,000 to $46,000. Imagine where I'll be in a month. Yeah, man, you're doing amazing. Like, keep up the good work. This guy down here does $28,000 to $30,000, so on and so forth. I'll show you guys one more. This guy does $6,000 on Solana. He then comes around and does $10,000 on ADA. It's just insane what people are doing over here. And $40,000 made in 1 week, and then $10,000 made in a week alone, and $40,000 made in the last 3 weeks. I've actually personally coached this guy over Skype, and that's been really fun. So get your guys' membership. It's $49 a month. That will give you access to all of the metrics over here, but it will give you guys access into the holy grail, if you will, of how we are making money. Click live trades here, guys. This is so simple. All of these coins here are the ones that we trade. We don't trade a ton, but you guys can make a lot of money just trading these. I'm not a financial advisor. This is entertainment purposes only. These are my personal opinions. We've just not lost a trade. You must understand that, okay? What you guys are going to do is follow these steps for every single coin. I know we're talking about ADA. ADA, if you guys want to access the buy limits, literally for this morning right now, you guys will go back to the front page. You guys will just simply click Cardano. Click this and you will see this. Let's do this. Here's how you guys trade our system. It's so simple. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the buy limits and sell limits every day. If they don't update, it's just because I still think this is the best entry. So if they don't update, that's fine. Just watch for the timestamp to update to make sure these update every day. And you guys do have to refresh this page once the next day happens. So literally we are 16 minutes away from this updating because it's 7:44 right now, and this will turn to 11:19 and all the buy limits will be official for this day. Here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to take your trade allotment you want to trade with. We're going to say it's $1,000, okay? You are then going to take your $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions, so $250 each. You're going to place each $250 at each of the buy limits, guys. So simple. What's the price? Well, it's in neon yellow over here, so if you guys can't miss it. These are your 4 buy limits. Set them up in your exchange, and then once your first buy limit is hit, set up your sell limit. All you have to do from there is come down here and set yourself up into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with our indicators, which are on Black Friday sale. I'll tell you that in just a few seconds here. Make sure you guys do log into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then when you guys click this, you guys will get another page. Click the link, and it will give you guys a hot link into the channel over here where you guys will be able to enter in, and you guys will be able to take exits with me because we're going to probably go to 85 trades really fast if this market moves up because we are in every single one of our trades right now have a trade call that you guys have taken in the last week or so. This is going to shoot up very fast. For those of you guys who are not in trades, you want to get in here and start setting up your buy limits with all of our coins. Now, the Black Friday sale is with the indicators. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but here's what you guys want to get. You guys want to get the bundle pack. It's 83% off. Every single day, you guys will see me use the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are the ones that you guys want on your charts. These right now are 58 to 60% off. If you guys want to just come in here and get all 9 of our indicators that we have, it is 83% off all of them. Literally, if you guys come in here and get the ones you need to follow me on this channel, these 3, you spend a few bucks more and you guys get all 9 indicators that are 83% off. This is also going to go up $50 at the end of the month. And then on top of that, I'm going to up the price of the price versus the well money flow, and I'm upping the price of the trend exhaustion in the Q1 of next year, maybe even in December. I haven't officially decided that with the team, but I'm going to be upping the prices of these. So everything is going to be going up in price as the months come, okay? You guys want to get the Black Friday sale right now. I promise this is the best price, and it will not be cheaper than this. Again, I might do a Christmas special where I drop this back down to this price, but you guys do not want to miss this because this is going to be the best deal possible for you guys. Make sure you guys get those on your charts. Look at this, guys. We're continuing to head up here. This is a crazy bear trap to the downside. Look at this. Every single one of these coins are in the profit today. Every single one. This is why when it's red in the market, you guys want to buy. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum's heading up a little bit from where we're at. Bitcoin's also pretty stagnant where it's at. Solana, guys, is probably going to be our next win in here because we're already in the profit. Look at Link up here, up 8%. DOT up here, we're up, look at that. We're currently up. That's insane. I got back into the trade back down here yesterday. EOS in here that we're even covering. We're almost at break even. We're almost in the profit for EOS again. Like, this is so exciting, guys. All right. Have a good one. Have an amazing weekend. God bless you guys so much. Enjoy your family. Remember to rest. Remember to take time for your family. I go to church. Just have fun. Make sure you guys are setting up your indicators over the weekend. Sorry, my internet's just going slower this morning. Set up the indicators over the weekend before those go up in price. Snag them on Black Friday. You guys have 11 days left. Set up your membership for $49 a month. Snag that before that goes up as well. And make sure you guys are following me in the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling exits and giving you guys market updates. If I see anything crazy happening over the weekend, I'll give you guys a Telegram update, okay? Last weekend I was pretty active, and we were doing great last weekend. So make sure you guys set everything up. It's in the description. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video and hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Let's see if we can go 85 for 85 or maybe 90 for 90 wins before this month of November is over. I'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. Come join us. Let's make some profits. We'll see you guys. Bye-bye.